Hello guys, welcome back to the Charo Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix black screen, freezing and stuttering, not launching or crashing at startup, black screen and all these kind of errors, how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. And if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Also, we have updated many more articles on our website GetCharo Tips, where you can refer that also. Let's move to the workaround without wasting any time. So let's move to the workarounds one by one. First one, what you have to do is you just have to do a normal restart. For that, you just have to go over here. You have to do a normal restart both on your PC or laptop, and you have to see by going to the Steam whether you are able to fix the issue or not. Even after trying this, if it's not working, we have to go for the next one. Next one, maybe the issue is happening because of some corrupted files. So you have to verify integrity of game files. That is what you have to do. For that, you just have to open the Steam. Now from here, you have to navigate to the game. I'll go over here to the library. Right now, as you can see, I'm not having the game on Steam. So what you have to do is you just have to follow the instruction which I'm showing right now. So I'll show with an example with another game. So let me imagine that you have to select the respective game. Then you just have to do is right click and go to properties. From here you have to go to local files, and there is an option called verify integrity of game file. Just click on this one. So if it is going through any kind of corrupted files, they will be fixing from their side. So you just have to wait for it unless and until it reaches to 100%. So you have to wait for it. So this is what you have to do. And let me move to the next step. So next step is all about, you have to move to the next one is all about, you have to install graphics card manually. As you can see, it is already done many of the times. So here I have given link in the description to both NVIDIA as well as for AMD. If you are on the NVIDIA, then you just have to accept the cookies, and what you have, just give the GeoForce whatever it may be, give the product series from this, select the product, go for the operation, language and download and install it. Simultaneously, if you are on the AMD, just download and install, select the graphics, select the model number, go for submit and download and install both the cards. It's according to your PC's configuration. You just have to install it. Once it's installed, you just have to try to launch the game. Sometimes it might work. If it's not, you don't have to worry. One among the issue which is happening for many of the users, they're having the black screen issue. So if you ask me a question, if you're having the black screen, then that step is also added in this video. That is, this is what you have to do when you're having black screen. You just have to right click, and for the NVIDIA users, what they have to do is you just have to go to the NVIDIA control panel. You have to right click, go for show more options, click on NVIDIA control panel. Now from here, you just have to wait, because this is what you have to do when you're having black screen. This is the fix. Now go over here and click on manage 3D settings. Once it is once you click on this one, just have to wait, and once it is done, you just have to follow the next instructions hereafter, right? So as you can see, you have to click on manage 3D settings. I don't know why it's not happening. Sorry. So this is sorry. As you can see, you are over here. So if you wanted to fix the issue, I mean, you have to fix it from here itself, I think. So if you're on the manage 3D settings, the next one which they're asking you is, what you have to do is you just have to this is how it looks like, and if you go over here, this is what it is. I think I got some mistakes. So this is manage 3D settings. 1 minute. So I'm just fixing this. Okay, so this is how the manage 3D setting it looks like, right? As you can see, this is how it looks like. So the next one, what you have to do is you just have to follow the instruction that from here you have to do two things. That you just have to turn off VSYNC as well as GSYNC, right? So for the VSYNC, you just have to scroll down, and as you can see, this is VSYNC. So this has been set into, you just have to turn this off. Simultaneously, if you're able to find GSYNC also, you have to turn this off, right? You have to select and turn this off. This is for the users, they are having black screen issue, right? So they only have to do this. So for the users, they are having black screen, they have to do this, and this is what they have to do, and you just have to close this, right? After this, you have to see whether you are able to fix the black screen. Might be you are able to fix this up. So after this, you just have to move to the next one. Next one is all about, you have to disconnect some of the external devices. For example, like, if you're having multiple monitors, you have to disconnect it. if you're having keyboards, joystick, all these things are connected to your laptop or PC already, you just have to disconnect it and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. That is very important step which you have to try out. The next one apart from this is all about you have to give the launch command or on the launch option on the Steam. For that you just have to open the Steam, and what you have to do is, as I said earlier, I'm not having the game which is a Plague on my Steam, but it's on Xbox, so I can't show here with us. So you just have to follow the instruction, which is quite simple, so don't get confused. So you have to select the game. For those who are on the Steam, select the game, that is Plague, then right click and go to properties, and if you go there you will be able to find launch option. Here you have to give two commands, that is DXII, and you have to see whether after giving this command, when you're launching, if you're still having the crashing issue or freezing and all those things, just change the command to DXII, right? You have to change this and try to launch. If it might work in some cases, and I'm not saying this is a sure, but it has worked for many of the users, and it is all what you have to do. Even after trying with this, if it's still not working, then we just have to disable the Steam overlay in the Steam itself, so I'll show that also. So for that you just have to open the Steam like this, and you have to select the game, and you have to go to the properties. Now from here, as you can see in the general, here it is disabled. In some cases, for example, it might be by default enabled, so you have to disable this. After that, try to launch the game, and that will be helping guys out. That is what you have to do. Moving to the next one is all about you have to run the game on dedicated graphics card. That is very important as it is. So for that you just have to go to the search over here, search for graphics settings. You have to open this. Now from here, as you can see over here, I have already added two games, that is Crab Game and Forza Horizon 5. So here you have to add the game first, so that here it is not yet added, so you have to browse. In your case, you have to browse, navigate to the Steam common wherever the game is installed. For example, if it's on localist C, just follow this path. If it is not on localist C, if you are installed in some other drive, you have to go to the same, and you have to add the respective folder from here, and once it is added you will be able to see this. But here also there is one more step. You just have to do a tiny step. You just have to click on the game once it is added, for example like this, and there is a button called option. You have to select this, and here you have to set it to high performance. This will be a lower, let Windows decide power saving, or it may be whatever it by default, but you have to change and make sure that is being set into high performance. And once it is done, you just have to close this, and you have to try to launch the game. That might be working. Even if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. It's all about you have to install a couple of things like Microsoft Visual C++. Here, as you can see, this is the link which I'll be giving in the description, which you don't have to worry. As you can see, this is 86 and this is 64. Here, if I open this, both things are getting downloaded. Here I have already installed Visual C++. According to PC, you have to select which one you are needed in case and go for install it on both the case. If it's on 86, just install 86 version, and if it is 64, just install 64 version. Once after that, just try to launch the game, because this has worked for many of the cases. Even in my personal experience, this has helped me a lot of the time. So that is what you have to do with the Microsoft Visual C++. And even after trying, you're still completely, I have to say this, you are completely having the greatest nightmare of your life. You paid this and you can't even play on the Steam. You have to do is very simple one, update your Windows to the latest version, or make sure that you're on the latest version. For that, you just have to go over here, go to the settings, and from here is go to Windows Update, and make sure that you're on the latest version. And if you're having any kind of updates like this, you just have to update it, right? And some cases that might be working out, and this is very important. Even after updating, you are done with the graphics card, you're done with everything, you're done with the launch options, you have disabled the external keyboard, external things, and still it is getting crashed up. I suggest you, what you have to do is you just have to uninstall the game and reinstall it back, and that will be working out. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having an issue with crashing, launching, black screen, freezing, and stuttering for a PC, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful. Also, I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read the same article on our website regarding crashing, stuck on loading screen, won't load, low FPS drop, stuttering, black screen, etc. And you can definitely have a read on this. I'll be providing link. This is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.